The next type of post we will look into is one called WeDo. A WeDo is a simple type of task that you can create in the 3D Experience platform. And naturally, you'll have to add a title to the post, so you can give a general idea of what the post is about. And then, of course, you can also add a more detailed description within the post itself to make it easy for whoever is assigned to this task to understand what it's about. Further, you can, of course, add an assignee task and then of course add an end date, and once you click publish you will make it available to your community members to see it. One nice detail about these types of posts is that you have a status for it as well. So if you click on the post to go into it, you can then have your status bar, and if you click in progress you can update the status for the task to clearly communicate the progress of this specific task to your colleagues within the community.